They got me a present.
Daddy.
I got you some new legs, woman.
Woohoo!
No other nasty armpit people's arms have been in here.
Thanks.
These are top notch.
Thanks, my honey.
Equate brand. Walmart. Dude, they look the same though. Dude, they look nice.
Oh, dang. So they did.
They blocked it off big time.
Bye, Daddy. Riding on his stallion.
What'd you do?
Okay, say it.
Good?
What?
Say it again. I didn't get it on video.
I got my new legs from Daddy.
You didn't get your phone or
Do it. I made it to the Grand Canyon.
Bernice and Joy, tell everyone which power wheelchair got you to the Grand Canyon.
Cole, please. It's like Daddy!
Very sneaky.
My turtle can dance. Now it's my turn.
No, no, no. That's it. Don't let it go.
Anyone want a burger? Anyone? Burger! Here's your burger! Ooh, that looks yummy. Thank you. Here, wait, I gotta pay you. 100! There's 100 pennies! That's $1!
Hey, you know what? I could probably rig something.
What?
Rig it.
I need what? Poop! Poop!
You watching, babe? She said it's a lava cake.
Oh no,
It dried.
It's the dirt soaked it up the water.
yeah, It was pretty liquidy, but...
Ooh, I see it though. It's like brownie.
Oh wait, I'm in the wrong part. You just gotta dig through it, but there is lava. See this? It's chocolate stuff.
Good job, baby.
I'm gonna miss you, Mommy.
A what?
I'm gonna miss you. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much are you gonna miss Mommy?
1,000.
1,000. I'm only gonna miss her 8.
You're only gonna miss me what? An 8?
I miss.
Oh my
I mean, you've been gone for like a week before, so I don't think it's that big of a deal that you're gone for about 3 days. I'm gonna miss you 1,000.
1,000?
Yeah.
Out of 1 to 10?
Yeah.
We probably need to
Almost at
work
a
on your
million.
numbers.
Almost at a million.
A million?
Actually, 1,000.
Alright, so I'm heading to, I was gonna say Denver, but I am actually heading to Denver. I'm heading to Orlando, but I stop in Denver to switch planes, so wish me luck because I will be taking my crutches and getting wheelchair assistance, and yeah, hopefully I don't fall on the plane. Group hug.
Group hug.
Group hug. Love you guys.
Right now, Orlando's got gusty winds out east, about 15 to 25 miles an hour, mostly cloudy skies, rain, and 84 degrees.
Thank you, lovey.
The white.
It just went through, Mama.
Jordan Matthew Michaud. Trenton Cole Middleton, merit designation. Graduate cum laude, scholar designation.
That all members of this graduating class have completed the official requirements for graduation under the regulations of the Florida Department of Education and the policies of Volusia County Schools. The class of 2021. Graduates, please rise. In recognition of your achievement, you may now turn your tassel from right to left.
What is that?
What are you, a bear?
Is that new thing? You know, smile. Congratulations, my love. Oh. awesome bugs.
Underneath.
It's just patting, batting they call it. But I just look, and then you kind of just put it over like a pillowcase.
Huh.
Like that. Let me sew it together and see.
Yeah, that's baller, Mom.
Too long.
No, that's amazing.
Well, try it.
All right, come on. Coley, look, Coley already let you guys, or you let you guys do it to him. You can't even do it to yourself. That's not fair.
I'll do it to myself.
Okay. Oh, Reagan did it.
She just did her hair.
Yeah, do another one. This is free showers, minus the soap. Some nice river water, nice and cool, makes you feel good. That's kind of weird, Reagan. What is Emily doing? Is that like a hat? Let it go. Oh, man.
It's so cold. And there's a cloud. Great.
Yeah.
Me and Reagan will do
You're
it
just like your mama, Chicken Little.
No. Me and Reagan will do it at the same time.
Uh-huh. Let's see it.
Dump it on our heads.
Come on, I'm still filming. And then you let it go when you've come up. It's like a surprise. Oh, that's... You got it?
Yeah.
Now that diesel power. He's got it. Oh no. Shower tent bathrooms in my life.
It's like a shower bathroom.
Yeah, you can hang a bag in there like a solar shower.
What were you going for, the bird?
Do you want me to bring them closer? Okay, range is cold, okay, guys? Hey, you.
Yeah. Yeah, that seems good.
Thank you for asking.
I think I shot the banana. Yeah, there's a hole in the banana.
There's a hole in the banana.
Yeah, I shot it.
How many are you on?
I just did 2, so I have 3 more.
Okay.
Daddy, they're leaving.
I just hit him. Oh, there I got him.
Oh.
I want you to shoot the real targets, please. Okay.
The orange.
Okay. The bottom one will be a little easier because it's a little right, dude.
You hit him! Good job! High five!
Cool. Your second shot ever. All right,
And
man.
you hit him. That's great.
Awesome, bro. All right, dude.
Man, right here.
What are you trying to do, the bird?
These are my rock hard breads. They each have little letters. So this is Reagan's. This is Mommy's. It looks like an E, but it's an M. This is Daddy's. And this is Cole's. And they baked for about the whole weekend. They're super hard. But yeah, I worked very hard on them. It's just water and dirt and a little bit of charcoal.
With my lovies, my little ones.
Oh, you're back!
I missed you
Finally!
so much. I missed you so much.
I'm never letting go.
Mother.
Can I just give you a shake, Mommy?
Oh, squeezies.